Isaac, what are you doing now?
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I went to go get David, and you were spilling more glue.
Yeah. David's next. Rainy Spoken's here.
Yeah, it's covered with glue now, so I think you have plenty of glue on it now to stick it back on the airplane. Yeah.
Sticks.
Put it back on the airplane now.
Okay, Mama. Okay?
What's
it up, Mommy?
It's right there on the table.
What's it up?
Huh?
What's it up?
Wash it up?
Yeah.
Yeah, it has a little too much glue, huh?
Mommy, what's it up?
Let's see your hands. Oh, Isaac. Okay.
Jingle bell, merry and jingle bell, jingle bell. Let me see my hands.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.